Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best smart Wi-Fi light switches that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Leviton DW15S1BZ Universal-Incandescent required. Easily replace your existing single-pole or multi-way switch with the new Leviton 15-amp Universal LED Incandescent Decora Smart Wi-Fi switch to allow control from anywhere. Use the free My Leviton iOS or Android app to add name devices and to control them individually or as a room with a single button push. Create schedules, scenes and customize your experience as desired. Add an Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant device to use voice commands like, Alexa, turn outdoor lights on. Leverages the Leviton Decora form factor with matching color change kits, multi-way devices, wall plates and more. Rated for LED and CFL loads up to 600 watt, incandescent loads up to 1800 watt or fluorescent loads up to 15 amp. Neutral wire required. A neutral wire provides continuous power to the smart switch and is required for functionality. At number 4. Light switch-enabled Google Assistant. The Wemo Wi-Fi light switch uses your existing home Wi-Fi network to provide wireless control of your lights from anywhere in the world. No subscription or hub is required. Simply install the light switch and start controlling your lights from your phone or tablet. Using the free Wemo app, you can switch your lights on and off and set worry-free schedules no matter where you are. The Wemo light switch also functions like a normal switch. Simply press the switch to toggle your lights on or off. Wemo light switch is Wi-Fi enabled and can effectively operate with Alexa and Google Assistant because it is voice enabled. One can effectively control the lights remotely by the use of the Wemo phone application. One can easily set a schedule and a timer to operate the lights automatically. At number 3. Martin Jerry Smart Life Dimming Assistant, best for LED lights. This device operates best with LED lights. It is meant to switch on and off and adjust the bulb brightness. This device operates perfectly with Alexa and Google Home voice control. It can also be controlled remotely using an application. The application can be used on both iOS and Android phones. It is easy and safe to install and operate. No hub needed for the Wi-Fi dimmer button. One can comfortably set a lighting schedule. One can share Alexa dimmer buttons for fellow family members. This switch works with SmartLife app, which is a popular home automation app. It is free in App Store, Google Play and Alexa Skills. It is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. This is the most important part of home automation system. At number 2. TPLink HS200P3 Installation Single Pole Assistant. The pack comes in 3 pieces. With the device, one is capable of controlling the light from anywhere using a smartphone with the assistance of the Casa Smart application. This application is compatible with both Android and iOS. Installation guide is included which ease the work. The device can be comfortably operated using a voice that works using Amazon Alexa, Microsoft Cortana and Google Assistant. The product comes with a full light solution. The product is of the best quality and design. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling the lights in your home with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Perfect for times when your hands are full or entering a dark room. Finally at number 1. SeeByGE 3-wire on/off paddle-style smart switch. The SeeByGE Smart Light Switch allows you to control your lights through touch, CYNC mobile app, or voice assistant. With Google Home or Alexa, sold separately, light switches from SeeByGE make light control easy. Get the convenience and comfort with your smart bulbs and light switch always being ready to respond. With enhanced functionality like out-of-home control and scheduling, you will never come home to a dark house. Build your smart home with smart bulbs that work with Alexa, Google Home. CYNC and SeeByGE smart bulbs and the smart switch work with voice and app control at all times. even when the wall switch is turned off. Make traditional light bulbs smart bulbs. The SeeByGE Wi-Fi switch allows you to easily make your light bulbs compatible with Google Home or Amazon Alexa when paired with your smart devices. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.